Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can create tabbed content in a WordPress website using a free plugin. Let me show you an example of the tabbed content that I have created. This is the horizontal tabbed content. You will see different tabs at the top. The first one is About Us, and you will see the content in this tab. If I go to Gallery, you will see the Gallery tab. Then next tab is Video. I have added video in this tab, and the last tab is Contact. And in this tab, I have the contact details. And below that, we have another version of the tabbed content. The first one is the horizontal tabbed content, and the second one is the vertical tabbed content. So you will see the vertical tabs, and the content is in the right hand side. You can also customize the style settings of the tabbed content. It is not only for the tabbed content. You can also use many different blogs in a WordPress website. You can see the list of all these blogs are available in the free plugin. Name of the plugin is 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 Blogs. So let's see how we can create tabbed content in a WordPress website using the 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 Blogs plugin. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WordPress website. So let's go to plugins and click on add new plugin. And here search for the plugin 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 Blogs. So this is the plugin 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 Blogs WordPress Blogs plugin. And you can see that this plugin has been installed on more than 50,000 WordPress websites. So click on install now and click on activate. Let's skip this one. And we are on the dashboard of this plugin 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 Blogs. You will see the information about this plugin. If I go to blogs, you will see all these blogs are available to use on a WordPress website. If you want to add more blogs to your WordPress website, you can use this plugin. Alright, so now let's go to pages, and I have one demo page. So I'm going to use the demo page. So this is the demo page, and I'm going to add a tabbed content on this demo page. So if I click on plus sign here, you will see all the blogs available from this plugin 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 Blogs, and these are the blogs. Here you can search for the element or the blog. Let's search for tabbed content, and you will see this blog here. So click on it. This is the first tab. Let's name it as About Us. So I'm going to use some dummy content here. So the name of the first tab is About Us. Let's add some content here. I'm going to add some dummy content here. And below that, I want to add, let's say, image, or I can search for image. Now let's drag it and drop it here inside this tab. And I'm going to search the image from the media library. Let's add this one. All right, so this is the content in the first tab. Now I want to add more tabs, so I'm going to click on plus sign here, and it is going to create a new tab. Let's name it as Gallery. And under this tab, I want to add image gallery. Let's close this one and click on the plus sign here and search for gallery. Click on media library, and I'm going to add some images that are already uploaded. If you want to upload images, you can go to upload files and select the images from your computer and upload the images. I'm going to select these images, click on create gallery and insert the gallery. So this is the layout of the gallery. Let's make it 4 column. Right now it is set to 3 columns. I'm going to make it 4 columns. So you will see 4 column gallery images there, and you can customize this blog from the right hand panel. Right now I want to add more tabs, so I'm going to click on the plus sign again, and let's add another tab. And this tab will be, let's say, video. So this is the name of the tab, and I want to add video in this tab. So I'm going to click on plus sign here and search for, let's say, video, YouTube embed video, and I'm going to add the URL of one of the YouTube videos here and click on embed, and you will see that video is added in the tab. Right now let's click on the plus sign again, and let's add one more tab here. Let's say contact, and in this tab you can add more information. Let's say I want to add a list here, so I'm going to click on the styled list, and here I'm going to add the content for the list. All right, so you can see that I have got the call icon here. Let's add one more. And you can customize this icon list. All right, so this is just an example. You can add any type of content in the tab. Now let's customize the tabbed content. Let's select the tabbed content, and in the right hand panel you will see different settings. Here we have tab type will be tabs. Let's select pills, and you will see a different style for the tab. Let's select underline, and this is how the underline tab will look. I'm going to select tabs. Then we have tab anchors. If you want to use tab anchors, you can enable this option. Let's go to style settings here, and from here you can customize the style settings. Let's add tab color. Let's use this one as a tab color, and active tab color will be, let's say, this one. Tab title color will be white, then active tab title color will be white. So this is how the tabs will look. Let's go to content background, and I'm going to use this background, and from here you can change the content color. All right, so you can see that we have changed the background color. If I go to this tab, you will see this is the background color for the tab. This is the active tab color. If you want to move the tabs from one location to another, you can simply click on it and drag them horizontally. So you can change the position of the tabs. Below that we have border settings, style settings. Under advanced, you will see the advanced settings, tabs layout. Tab display will be horizontal. If you want to make it vertical, you can also make it vertical. So it will look like this. And these are the dimension settings. You can set up the padding and margin for the tab, for the tabbed content. Below that we have custom CSS. If you want to add custom CSS, you can add the custom CSS. Let's click on save, and let's see how does this look on the actual page. So this is how it will look. If I go to about us, this is the first tab. Then this is the second tab with gallery. If I click on it, it will open the gallery image. Then we have video. If I click on it, it will play the video. Then we have the contact tab, where we have the contact details. So it is very easy to create tabbed content in a WordPress website using 𝗟𝗞𝗘 plugin. It is not only for the tabbed content, you can also use this plugin to add more blogs in a WordPress website. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.